social media branding. Social media is an absolute minefield of what do I do? Tell you what you do, you brand your social media, you make sure your brand follows on into your website and through your logo and in your videos, and then you gain brand recognition. What we will offer with regards to, we have this thing called a full branding package where you get your website, you get some video promos, you get your logo, and you get your social media branded as well. That means your banners, your Facebook banner, LinkedIn banner, social media posts, animated social posts sometimes if you do want to request one of those. So it really is important, not only with the social media branding, you do get a certain amount of social media knowledge passed on to you as well from myself. I can teach you the very basics on how to stay relevant online organically without having to pay absolutely anything. It all starts with the videos, your length of your videos, where you're posting, what you're posting, how often you're posting, and what hashtags you're using. Also, every single social media post can benefit the website. If you have your website link in all your social media posts, it counts as a backlink, and then it boosts you up the search engine rankings. Always chasing that brand recognition all the way through, from the logo to social media to the website to any video promos that we do create. It's very important, and it is something that I really enjoy doing. If you are interested, have a look at the portfolio and then just drop us an email, press the book consultation button, let us know what you need, and we'll do what we can for you. Cheers.